Want to see just how much potential my charming new listing has to become the home of your dreams? Okay, let's check it out. Let's start by sprinkling some remodel dust onto the living room. Wow, that's much better. How about the kitchen? Maybe give it a refresh? Or go all out and extend into the backyard for some extra space. Next, let's clean up the hallway bathroom a bit. Now, for the bedroom, you could simply give it an upgrade or extend it to add a second full bathroom and a walk-in closet. And when it comes to the backyard, let's just say the possibilities are endless. If you have any questions, be sure to give me a call or text and come by our open houses this weekend so you can see the home for yourself and decide what you'd like to do to make it your dream home.